3M worktunes. If you know them, you got them, you love them. Someone has got to walk up behind you or in front of you and get your attention when you're wearing these and you're jamming out and you're doing your yard work. Well, on mine, one speaker quit working, and it's on the side with the control. So what did I do? Well, I checked the internet and I found how to take the thing apart and everything, and I decided, after doing a little millivolt test right here, that it was getting millivolts. So I'm like, okay, well, it's getting something. So I went ahead and bought this $3 speaker on Amazon. Well, I'm not promoting Amazon, but I looked around, and so it's a 0.1 watt. And I know that sounds pretty small, but I'm hoping that when I hook it up to these wires, it's going to make a little noise. So I'm going to cut this wire right now, and we're going to go fishing for a sound. So although the speaker was $3, it cost $5 to ship it. But look, it comes with 12 inches of wire. Well, anyways, I'm not going to need all that, but I'm going to cut this plug end off. I'm not sure what it would fit. It's funny, it does say speaker. Cut that off. Strip a couple wires. Watch this. This has got to be the smallest wire in the world. Ooh. It did it. Look at that. It's all there. So these are my Nipex wire strippers. Oops, I missed that time. And the finest wires in the world. I can remember I would just like try to strip it. Oops, gotta do it again. Okay. Now, I assume that positive is yellow. So give me just a second, because I'm not going to solder them on just yet, but I'm going to wrap them around this, and then we're going to turn it on and see if we can get a sound. Okay, my first test was no good. So either way, I can rehook the speaker. So now I'm going to strip this even finer wire. Oh my gosh, look at that. That was so good. I can barely reach in here. But yeah, my test wasn't a success, but so this is going to be test number 2. Missed it that time. Ooh. Okay, so I've got 2 stripped wires. Let's see if I can get a little more off of this one. No, that's about all I can reach in there. Okay, and twist together, we'll do another test. Alright, I have twisted the wires together, and I hear music. I hear it. I fixed it, and holy cow. I've got stereo again. Okay, so it looks all put together. And the rubber boot that used to hold the old speaker actually holds this speaker good. And it sounds good. And so now I'm going to do a test once I put this pad back on. Pop this back together and then put it all the way together, and then we'll see if it sounds even. Wow! It sounds even. It sounds awesome. Awesome. 100% fixed. What? Hello? Just kidding. Hey, if you like this video, what this channel could use is some more subscribers, right? All right, thanks.